the cross section SOLIDWORKS. In the final part, activate the cut command, section view. From model tree to indicate the plane. Just set other parameters. In the dialog box, section view. Direction, offset distance, and another parameters. On the vocal field, left mouse button click, hold and drag. Change plane view. The paper drawing. By activating the command incision in the location by tape, specify the location of the cut line on the form and set the cross section on depth. Section view. Activate the command on the panel view layout. Select cutting line, some vertical, and cursor on the view. Set OK and replace the view section.